Ever wonder who was the first to put the pedal to the metal in the automotive world? That's right, Mercedes was the first to do, well, a lot of things. From inventing the car as we know it to bringing James Bond-worthy gadgets to our driveways, Mercedes has been paving the way literally and figuratively. So whether you're a gearhead, a history buff, or just someone who loves a good luxury car commercial, stick around. We've got more groundbreaking firsts, engineering marvels, and maybe a few surprises that'll make you say, "I didn't know that." Welcome gearheads and car enthusiasts to high-class horsepower, where we talk about one thing and one thing alone: cars. Today, we're diving into the luxurious world of Mercedes-Benz. Buckle up as we zoom through 50 fascinating facts about this iconic brand that'll make you fall in love with it even more. Ready? Let's hit the road. Fact number 1. The Mercedes-Benz logo, that sleek three-pointed star, represents land, sea, and air. Basically, it's a symbol that screams, "We conquer everything." Fact number 2. The 1954 Mercedes 300 SC was the first production car with gull-wing doors. Perfect for those moments when you want to make an entrance like a superhero. Fact number 3. Did you know that Mercedes-Benz built the first car with a crumple zone? Yes, they made it safe to crash. Just in case you were planning on testing those autobahn speed limits a bit too enthusiastically. Fact number 4. Mercedes-Benz introduced the first car with ABS, anti-lock braking system, because sometimes stopping is just as important as going, especially if you're chasing after that last parking spot. Fact number 5. Every Mercedes is meticulously assembled by a mix of skilled workers and robots. It's like a sci-fi movie where humans and machines work together to create pure automotive art. Fact number 6. The luxury in a Mercedes isn't just about leather seats and shiny buttons. They have something called air scarf technology. Yes, you heard right. An invisible scarf or warm air to keep your neck toasty on those chilly drives. Fancy, huh? Fact number 7. AMG, the high-performance arm of Mercedes, stands for Aufrecht, Melcher, and Grosses Bach. Basically, it's a long way of saying, hold on to your hats, this car's going to be fast. Fact number 8. Mercedes-Benz is a force to be reckoned with in Formula 1. They've won numerous championships and dominated the tracks. Speed? Check. Style? Double check. Fact number 9. The G-Class or G-Wagon was originally designed for military use. Now, it's the vehicle of choice for anyone wanting to go off-road in style or simply looking like a VIP on city streets. Fact number 10. For those who think luxury isn't enough, there's the Mercedes Maybach. It's basically the luxury version of luxury. Think reclining seats, champagne flutes, and a price tag that'll make your wallet cry. Alright, we've hit 10 facts and we're just getting started. Stick around as we cruise through more mind-blowing Mercedes trivia. It's going to be a ride to remember. Fact number 11. The first car ever made by Mercedes was the 1901 Mercedes 35 HP. And it was revolutionary. It had a front-mounted engine, a pressed steel frame, and an all-new drive system. Basically, it was the great granddaddy of all modern cars. Fact number 12. Carl Benz, one of the founders of Mercedes, created the first petrol-powered car in 1886. And no, it didn't have a cup holder, but it did kickstart the automotive revolution. Fact number 13. Mercedes-Benz is pioneering autonomous driving technology. The S-Class can practically drive itself. It's like having a chauffeur, but without the awkward small talk. Fact number 14. Mercedes-Benz has a long-standing tradition of innovation. They introduced the first production car with fuel injection and the first 7-speed automatic transmission. They're basically the Einstein of the automotive world. Fact number 15. Mercedes-Benz has produced some of the most beautiful cars in history. From the elegant 300 SL to the modern S-Class, their designs are timeless. It's like they're painting with metal. Fact number 16. every AMG engine is hand-assembled by one technician. You even get a little plaque with their signature on it. It's like getting a piece of art with a personal touch. Fact number 17. During the holiday season, Mercedes-Benz love to spread cheer with their Christmas Stars campaign, lighting up their cars and spreading joy. Because nothing says festive like a luxury car wrapped in fairy lights. Fact number 18. The Mercedes-Benz Museum in Stuttgart is a must-visit. It's like a Disneyland for car lovers, showcasing 160 vehicles and over 1,500 exhibits. And no, you can't drive the exhibits, but you can drool over them. Fact number 19. The illuminated star on the grille of a Mercedes isn't just for show. It's also a radar sensor for adaptive cruise control. So it's not just a pretty face, it's a pretty smart face. Fact number 20. The Mercedes-Benz CLA has one of the best drag coefficients of any production car. It's so aerodynamic, it practically slices through the air like a hot knife through butter. Fact number 21. Mercedes-Benz has a long history of clever advertising. One of their early ads simply said, "the best or nothing." And honestly, they've lived up to that slogan. Fact number 22. Mercedes-Benz cars have starred in numerous movies. From James Bond's gadget-filled rides to luxury chariots in Crazy Rich Asians, these cars are true Hollywood royalty. Fact number 23. Mercedes-Benz is electrifying the future with their EQ series. The EQC is an all-electric SUV that combines luxury and sustainability. Saving the planet has never looked so stylish. Fact number 24. Mercedes-Benz isn't just about luxury cars. They've made trucks, buses, and even fire trucks. So if you ever see a Mercedes fire truck, just know it's probably the classiest way to put out a fire. Fact number 25. Mercedes-Benz engineers are always pushing the envelope. Their concept cars look like something out of a sci-fi movie. Who knows, maybe in the future we'll be driving hover cars with a 3-pointed star. We've hit the halfway mark, folks, and there's still so much more to discover. Ready to continue this wild ride through Mercedes-Benz history? Let's keep going. Fact number 26. The S-Class has a feature called Energizing Comfort Control. It adjusts the climate lighting. Fact number 27. Mercedes-Benz takes diversity seriously. They employ people from over 150 countries. It's a true global family working together to create these masterpieces. Fact number 28. Mercedes-Benz cars are showstoppers. At the annual Frankfurt Motor Show, their exhibits often steal the spotlight with their jaw-dropping innovations and designs. Fact number 29. The iconic grille of a Mercedes isn't just for looks. It's designed for optimal airflow to the engine, improving performance. Form and function, folks. That's the Mercedes way. Fact number 30. The Burmester sound system in a Mercedes is one of the best in the automotive world. It turns your car into a concert hall. So go ahead, sing along to your favorite tunes. Nobody can hear you anyway. Fact number 31. The AMG GT can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. That's faster than you can say, "I think I left the stove on." Fact number 32. The Mercedes-Benz has a rich motorsports heritage. They've been racing since the early 1900s and have numerous victories in various racing series. They're not just in the race, they often lead it. Fact number 33. The back seats of a Mercedes are so luxurious you might actually prefer being chauffeured around. Reclining seats, entertainment systems, and more legroom than a first-class airplane seat. Fact number 34. Mercedes-Benz cars are built for all conditions. With features like 4MATIC all-wheel drive, they handle snow and ice like a pro. So you can enjoy the winter wonderland without worrying about getting stuck. Fact number 35. Designing a Mercedes takes years of planning and thousands of hours of craftsmanship. It's a labor of love that results in pure automotive perfection. Fact number 36. Safety is a top priority for Mercedes-Benz. They've pioneered numerous safety features like the pre-safe system that prepares the car and its occupants for an impending collision. It's like having a guardian angel on board. Fact number 37. Buying a Mercedes isn't just about getting a car. It's about joining a family. Mercedes-Benz has one of the highest customer satisfaction ratings in the industry because once you go Benz, you never go back. Fact number 38. Nothing says freedom like a Mercedes-Benz convertible. Wind in your hair, sun on your face, and the purr of the engine as your soundtrack. It's the ultimate driving experience. Fact number 39. Mercedes-Benz is leading the charge towards electric mobility. With their EQ line of electric vehicles, they're proving that you don't have to sacrifice luxury for sustainability. Fact number 40. Mercedes-Benz isn't just about cars. They're about making the world a better place. They're involved in numerous humanitarian efforts and sustainability initiatives, driving change one car at a time. Fact number 41. Mercedes-Benz cars are known for their smooth ride. Thanks to their advanced suspension systems, it's like driving on a cloud. A very fast, luxurious cloud. Fact number 42. Mercedes-Benz SUVs are built for adventure. From the GLE to the GLS, they can handle rough terrains with ease. So, whether it's a trip to the mountains or a safari, you're covered. Fact number 43. Mercedes-Benz has some of the most memorable advertisements. Who can forget the iconic chicken ad that demonstrated their magic body control? It was clucking brilliant. Fact number 44. Mercedes-Benz service centers are top-notch. They offer world-class maintenance and repairs to keep your car running like new. It's like sending your car to a spa. Fact number 45. Mercedes-Benz was the first to introduce adaptive high beam assist, which automatically adjusts your headlights to avoid blinding other drivers. Fact number 46. Mercedes-Benz has been around since 1926, but their legacy goes back even further. Carl Benz's first automobile was built in 1886. That's over 130 years of automotive excellence. Fact number 47. Mercedes-Benz interiors are customizable with ambient lighting. You can set the mood with 64 different colors. It's like having a personal light show inside your car. Fact number 48. Mercedes-Benz cars are known for their longevity. It's not uncommon to see them still running strong after hundreds of thousands of miles. They're built to last. Fact number 49. Mercedes-Benz is constantly innovating. Their concept cars showcase the future of mobility with features like autonomous driving, AI, and eco-friendly materials. The future looks bright with a three-pointed star. Fact number 50. And finally, owning a Mercedes-Benz isn't just about having a car. It's about experiencing a legacy of innovation, luxury, and performance. It's a love affair with the road that never ends. There you have it, folks, 50 amazing facts about Mercedes. Whether you're a die-hard fan or new to the brand, we hope you enjoyed the ride. Until next time, drive safe and stay classy.